Imagine this for a moment. Americans believe the next election will be decided by votes, debates, and public opinion. But behind the curtains, another war is already underway. No tanks. No missiles. Just billions of dollars quietly loading into political war chests. New financial filings have ripped the mask off Washington's real power players. While the public argues on social media, a handful of industries and political forces are stacking money at a scale that can bend democracy itself. Artificial intelligence is no longer just about machines thinking like humans. It's about corporations thinking several moves ahead of lawmakers. AI giants are flooding political channels with cash, not out of patriotism, but fear. Fear that one signature, one regulation, could shackle an industry worth trillions. So they invest early. They invest heavily. And they invest strategically, making sure the politicians writing the rules owe them favors before the ink even dries. Then there's crypto. Once dismissed as internet money for rebels and risk-takers, crypto has evolved into a political heavyweight. The industry learned a brutal lesson: governments can kill digital empires overnight. And Washington, with its regulations and committees, is the ultimate threat. That's why crypto money is now pouring into elections. Not to win votes, but to buy protection. Friendly lawmakers. Soft regulations. Closed-door meetings where the future of digital money is decided far away from public scrutiny. Now step into even more dangerous territory. Pro-Israel political groups are moving with unprecedented intensity. This isn't symbolic support anymore. This is calculated, targeted funding aimed at shaping Congress itself. In a world shaken by war, Gaza, and Middle Eastern instability, these groups are ensuring that America's next leaders stand exactly where they want them to stand. Candidates who hesitate are replaced. Candidates who comply are rewarded. It's a reminder that in U.S. politics, foreign policy isn't just debated, it's financed. And then comes the most explosive wildcard of all. Donald Trump. Many underestimated him once. Few are making that mistake again. Trump and his allies have assembled a financial machine built not just to win elections, but to dominate the narrative. This money isn't passive. It attacks. It amplifies fear. It rewards loyalty and destroys dissent. Every dollar is a weapon, every ad a psychological strike aimed at voters' emotions. What makes this moment terrifying isn't just the money. It's the timing. These forces aren't waiting for election day. They are shaping the battlefield months, even years in advance. Influencing what voters see, what they fear, and what they believe is inevitable. This is why political insiders are nervous. This is why watchdog groups are sounding alarms. Because when AI billionaires, crypto kings, ideological power blocks, and Trump's political army all enter the same election cycle with limitless cash, democracy stops being a fair contest. It becomes an auction. The average voter still thinks their ballot is the loudest voice in the room. But in 2026, the loudest sound may be the quiet scratch of a pen signing million-dollar checks. This isn't just another midterm election. This is a stress test for American democracy itself. And the most dangerous part? The public is only seeing the surface. The real decisions are already being bought, sold, and locked in behind closed doors. So when the headlines scream about surprise wins and shocking losses, remember this. Nothing about this election is accidental. The war chest is full. The players are ready. And the battle for power has already begun.